The folding snowflake has 6 pieces, 2 large ones that are the same and 4 small ones that are the same. I've done these in 2 colors. I think it's a little easier to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to take one of these and turn it around so that I have one slot in the middle going down and one going up. Now I'm going to put those 2 slots together. Now I have slots, smaller slots here going all the way around, up, down, up, down. And these pieces have a slot in the middle. So I will start here, and I'm going to put this middle slot on this little slot here that's left on the big piece. Now I'm going to simply turn it like the page of a book and put my finger here, so I've got this pinched together. So I have this slot available, and I'm going to take another one of these little pieces. This time I'm going to go down because that's where the slot is. Now I'm going to back up, and I have these slots that are on the long legs of these snowflakes, and each one of these has one of these slots. So to put these together, I grab one in each finger and I twist them apart and open so that I can get those legs around each other and then let them go together. Now I just do the same thing, continuing around. So I put my thumb on top of this one so I keep everything out of the way. So I have this slot exposed so I can put my little snowflake up here. And now I'm going to back up and pull these guys apart and put those long legs together. You should use good paper when you're doing this, otherwise you may have a crumply mess. And don't be afraid to pull fairly hard because you really have to move those quite a bit to get them together. Now I have 2 small snowflakes and 1 large one in the middle. So to get the next one on, I'm going to use my finger and my thumb to push those 2 snowflakes out of my way so I can get this slot. Now I'm going to put my last snowflake on here, going down, and I'll back up and put those legs together and go around the corner and put the last pair of legs together. And now just check to make sure the model folds up, and that's the little snowflake.